Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Larson and thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate you, I love you, I support you. So if you end up recreating this look at the end of the video, go ahead and make sure you tag me. Click that subscribe button because there's some really exciting things coming into the new year. And I'm so sad to announce that this is our last Festive Friday video of the month. Festive Fridays, if this is your first time tuning in, it was the whole month of December. I gave you an easy, quick, simple guide to make your holidays more festive, more wonderful, and amazing. So take a seat, grab your cat, your dog, your grandma, your friends, family, coffee, blending brushes, and let's get rolling. Here we go. So if you're a part of the Instagram fam, I ran a poll on my story asking what you guys wanted to see for the New Year's look, and you voted for a sexy, sultry, glittery, smoky eye. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and if you want to be a part of the Instagram fam, go ahead and click on the link in the bottom bar box below. It's where you'll find all my information. We're gonna be playing with something that I've been seeing trending all over the beauty community. It's called reversed blending. So you know how normally we start with our transition shade and we start from light to dark? Well, reverse blending is a technique where you go from dark to light, and I think the concept behind it is when you put on your eye primer and then you put on all your light colors, everything sets into it. So when you go in with your dark color over the top, it's hard to blend out because everything is so set in. So we're gonna start with our darkest color all over our lids and slowly blend into our light colors. I'm gonna do my brows and I will be right back. Okay, now that I have my brows on, we're gonna get into that reverse blending technique. So I'm gonna be picking up the darkest brown in this palette. It's called Cheens, and I'm gonna pack this all over my lid just using a flat concealer brush. You're gonna be using the belly of the brush to pack this on, not the top, because you wanna get the max amount of product and the max amount of pigment. So this is only my second time trying this technique. I've been seeing it everywhere, like all over. And so I watched a few YouTube videos last night because, you know, they're great. And here I am. I'm testing it out, testing the waters. And what I told you earlier is just the research that I've done with it and my trial and error from last night. So what I discovered is I actually really do like this technique. Now I have slightly hooded lids, so when I open my eyes, my lid is like almost covered. So I'm bringing this above my crease line because I want to be able to see it. Now that we have our dark shade packed onto our lids, it's not very even, but that's okay because that's what we're gonna go in right now and do. So I'm gonna be taking a small feathered brush. I'm gonna go in with really, really light pressure. You're barely gonna be touching your skin, like barely, and you're just gonna blend out the edges. Okay, that is blending. Dope. Gnarly, man. That's freaking sick, dude. That's gnarly. Yo. I can only say that when I'm in my skater clothes. When I'm in like my cool, like my black ripped jeans and my skater dude shoes. I'm like, gnarly, man. That's dope.
Was that from me or the camera?
I don't know. Okay. So I have no additional colors onto my eyes, just that original dark shade that we packed on, the Cheens. And now we're gonna be going in with another dark shade, and this time I'm gonna be picking up a black. So I kind of falsified you a little bit. I said we're gonna start with our darkest shade, but now I'm going in with black because I was nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous. I didn't wanna start with black, okay? So now we're gonna go in with black. So this is the Kat Von D eye palette. It's a little bit shattered in the mirror, but I'm gonna be going in with the matte black shade in the palette. So I'm gonna be picking that up on just like a nice small tapered blending brush. So I'm gonna be picking up that black shade and I'm gonna be going in the outer and inner corner of my eye. And when I tapped it in, I tapped a lot of the product off because I don't want it to just be a black dot. So again, same thing with the first brush. I'm going to be barely touching my skin and lightly blending it. You don't want to go in with a heavy hand when you're using dark colors. Light hands, light touches, okay?
I smile too much. I got a lot of smile lines.
Since when is smiling too much a problem? Now that we've got the black packed on the outer and inner corner of our eyes, I'm going to be going in with a clean, fluffy blending brush, and again, just buffing out the edges. Especially when I'm using dark colors, I like to just blend as I go, just to eliminate, like when I pack other colors on top, sometimes you'll see a line of where your dark color started and then it's hard to blend out. So I like to blend with a clean brush as I go so that we don't get that packed on line that you can see. Now that we've got our dark brown and our black nice and blended out, we're gonna go in with a little pop. I'm gonna be picking up kind of I think I'm gonna do orange. I think I'm gonna put some warm tones in here. I don't know, is that gonna be a mistake?
I mean, what kind of, do you have any reds? Like a dark red, like maroon?
Ooh, I'm gonna be going in with the Kathleen Light's Dream St palette. I'm so excited. I've only got to play with this palette once since I got it. So we're gonna be picking up this brick red and blending this into our crease. So again, we're gonna keep this a little bit lower, closer to our dark shades, because we're gonna go in with our transition shade very last to blend everything out. So again, I'm just going right on top, very light, keep it soft, keep it sexy, keep it fun. Now we have that brick red blended on. Also, I didn't mention the color. It's called Magical. Oh, how cute. It's magic. Same thing that we've been doing with all of our other colors. I'm gonna pick up a clean, small blending brush and blend out the edges with no product. I haven't had any product on any of my blending. I've just been blending out what's there and utilizing what we've got. You gotta work with what you got, okay? You gotta work with what your mama gave you. But really though, you gotta love what your mama gave you, because you're beautiful. Okay, damn. I'm impressed, really. I walked in here thinking I'm gonna fuck this up because I don't have a plan, but I'm impressed with myself. And Jared, I forgot. Jared was looking like, hello, bitch. I gave you the color wheel. I told you what to do. Like, I bet I could blend it. Here, get me in front of the camera. I can do it. And I just like this. I don't think I'm gonna go in with another transition shade. I think it's well blended and it's pretty. I like it. I am gonna go in with another shade, not a transitional shade though. Clarify. We're gonna go in with one more color and I'm gonna be I'm gonna be dipping into my Friendcation palette again, using the color Game Over, because when you walk into your New Year's party, it's gonna be game over, all right? You're gonna slay them with your brows and then shut the game down. I'm gonna be going in with MAC Fix Plus this is like a special one. I didn't know it was special when I bought it, but it is. It's like an opal, hold on. It has like a pink opal sheen to it, but that's irrelevant. So we're gonna be spraying this onto our brush, getting it nice and wet. So this is just like a flat brush. It's a flat brush. It's purple. I think I got this in my Urban Decay electric palette, which they don't sell anymore. I can't believe they discontinued that palette. That is like one of the only like neon colorful palettes that is amazing quality. I mean, in my opinion. If you have any palettes that are like the Urban Decay electric palette, let me know. Comment down below because I want more. And we're gonna be picking the product up on the belly of the brush and using our same technique. We're just gonna be pressing this onto the center of the lid.
Hey, are we actually friends?
What?
Are we friends?
Yeah. Why do you think I invited you to go ice skating with me? Are we friends? Now you have me questioning our friendship.
Because I don't automatically connect to your Wi-Fi. I don't have your Wi-Fi password.
Oh, it's... Okay, now that we have that palette packed all over the lid, we're gonna be going in with, you guessed it, a clean blending brush and blending out the edges, barely touching the skin. So this is my second time now using the reverse blending technique, and I'm obsessed with it. I've always tried to do like dark sultry eyes using the light shades going down to dark, and I always get those like harsh lines that I cannot blend out. And this blending right here, I am so excited about. So I'm gonna go in with the clean brush and just kind of, just do a little bit of cleanup, kind of blend some things out, make sure it's nice and blended and sultry and sexy and fun. Gotta keep it cool, okay? I have finished my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and do my complexion, and then we'll come back to finish the eyes. So I have finished my complexion, and now we're gonna be finishing off the eyes. So I'm gonna pick up my first palette, the DESIXKATY Friendcation palette, and I'm gonna go in with that first dark brown that we used, the Cheens. So this is just like a small under eye blending brush, and I'm gonna take this dark brown color really close to my under eye. I'm gonna pack it on under my eye in a thin line, and then I'll blend out the edges to smoke it out. I'm gonna pick up my Urban Decay Vice palette brush. I'm gonna be using the other side of it that's flat but fluffy, and just take it right along the edges and blend it softly. Now I'm gonna pick up the Brick Red shade in the Dream St palette and go right beneath that dark brown and just give it a nice solid smooth transition to kind of make our top and bottom coherent. Last thing we have to finish off our eyes is we are gonna be doing a little pop on the inner corners. So I think I'm gonna do a gold because we have some warms, we got some blues, we got a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna go with the gold, and I'm actually thinking I'm gonna use the same highlighter that I used on my cheeks, which is Dose of Colors Chasing the Sun highlighter. Last thing to finish off the look is we are gonna do our lips. Becca Glow Gloss in Brilliant, oh, there's no name. It's just called Becca Glow Gloss. I don't know if there's only one shade but there's not a name. So it looks like this. It's like a pinky nude. This is one of my favorite glosses. I actually wore this in one of my Instagram videos, and I had quite a few people message me and ask me what it was. So this is it. It's the Becca Glow Gloss. So this is the created look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you recreate this look, you know the drill. Go ahead and tag me across all social media. It's in the description bar box below. And as always, have a happy festive Friday and good luck in the new year. If you recreate this look, can't break this focus. We're going ice skating after this. I think the thing that scares me most about ice skating is falling and having someone run over your fingers.